This is how I made props for Spamalot, and if you haven't already, go check out my other videos. For part 8, we are beginning the armor for the Black Knight. For this project, I'm drawing sources from all 4 corners of the internet. Like the helmet, for example, I'm using a template from Steve at SKS Props. Now, Steve is more artistically detailed when it comes to his projects. Some are more cartoon-like, and others are very realistic. He also likes using very expensive paints. Unfortunately, I'm not financially able to Bob Ross these projects yet. While I'm working with the foam, I'm also working with different cuts of PVC on the side. The plastic will be durable and also very loud on stage. According to the script, the Black Knight loses both arms, so I'm also building a mechanism to drop both arms. As for the helmet, I'm using a combination of contact cement and superglue, making sure everything's in place before I start painting. As for the arms, I had no real plan. Turns out Broadway shows don't exactly spill their secrets, so I had to MacGyver this the only way I knew how. Now, this project was a lot of fun, mostly because I got to use a number of tools for the session, like my wood burner and drill. And here is where the arms start coming together. I'm using nylon webbing materials and buckles for this process. I'm also using a lot of rivets. Lots of rivets. So far I'm crafting a shoulder pad with a magnet underneath. The magnet will cling to a small metal plate that holds the entire arm together. As you can see here, the arms come on and off with ease. And if you like this video, follow for part 9 because